This is a time capsule that's been sealed for 50 years. Inside are messages from the first class of students. The principal hands out the letters to the current students. Tommy opens the letter he received, but all he sees are rows of numbers. He has no idea what this means, so he takes the letter home to show his father. His father Lance is a physics teacher, extremely sensitive to numbers. He decides to study these numbers. Lance writes down a set of numbers on the blackboard, trying to separate them, looking for a pattern. The first attempt fails. He tries several more times, until a seemingly logical combination appears. Lance searches it online out of curiosity. The result completely shocks him. It's the date of the 9/11 disaster. Even stranger, the number 2996 is exactly the death toll. But this letter was sealed in 1975. Lance immediately writes all the numbers on the blackboard, then searches them one by one online. The results are unbelievable. Major disasters from recent decades all match these numbers. The dates and death tolls all line up perfectly. This means whoever wrote this letter could predict the future. But there are more numbers after the death tolls. He can't figure out what they mean, so he tracks down a teacher from that school 50 years ago, asking where the child who wrote the prophecy is now. But too much time has passed. The teacher doesn't know either. The trail goes cold. Lance wants to verify if the prophecy is real. He watches the news all day, but the predicted disaster doesn't happen. Just as he's going to pick up his kid from school, it suddenly starts raining. The road is completely blocked. He suddenly realizes the coordinates showing on his GPS match the numbers on the letter exactly. He understands now. The final numbers represent the location where the accident occurs. He gets out of the car to ask the police why there's traffic. When the police see Lance,